So this is a Trane furnace, 2-stage. I got the manometer hooked up. As you can see, it's LP. LP, you're gonna want 5.8 to 6 water columns for low stage, and you're gonna want 11 water columns for high stage. Let's see what the low stage comes out to. 6.5. Adjust it down a little bit. A little bit more. Perfecto. So now I want to put in the second stage. And what you're going to need for that is this guy right here. Jump it. You want to jump right 1 and right 2 down there. Okay, I jumped it. This 11. The highest I can go is 9.87. So in the field, if you guys ever see this where you can't adjust it up to 11, because your incoming pressure is below 13. So the incoming pressure is supposed to be 13 water columns. Going out is supposed to be 11, but since the incoming pressure is too low, I can't put it to 11, but any other time you would adjust this side to 11.